Crystals for Beginners. The Guide to Get Started with the Healing Power of Crystals. Book by Karen Fraser. Welcome to an enchanting journey into the mystical world of crystals, where the Earth's treasures unfold in dazzling patterns and vibrant energies. In Crystals for Beginners, The Guide to Get Started with the Healing Power of Crystals, by Karen Fraser, we embark on a quest to unravel the secrets of these ancient precious gems and discover how they can enhance our lives. So sit back, relax, and let the magic of crystals unfold before you. Chapter 1. The Mystique of Crystals. Our story begins in the timeless embrace of history, where crystals have adorned crowns, embellished artifacts, and whispered tales of their healing prowess. Karen Fraser paints a vivid picture of the mesmerizing allure that crystals have held for centuries. As you delve into this captivating world, you'll find that crystals are more than just aesthetically pleasing. They possess a unique energy that resonates with the body, mind, and spirit. Quote 1. Crystals have always been valued throughout history as precious, beautiful gifts of nature, and used in ancient society to beautify things and make them look more regal. The author takes us on a mesmerizing journey through time, revealing the age-old understanding that crystals are more than just inert objects. They are conduits of energy. Chapter 2. The Essence of Crystals. What exactly are crystals, and how do they differ from other earthly treasures? Karen Fraser skillfully navigates these questions, uncovering the intricate lattice patterns that define true crystals. But beware, not all that glitters is a crystal. Some, like opal, amber, and obsidian, though not true crystals, possess their own magical properties. Quote 2. Apart from making a crystal appear more or less appealing to you, the colors of a crystal also play a role in the energetic and healing impact of crystals. The hues of crystals, beyond mere aesthetics, hold the key to their energetic and healing potential. Prepare to be enchanted by the kaleidoscope of colors that dance within the heart of each crystal. Chapter 3. Energy, Myths, and Reality. Enter the realm of energy, a force that pulses through all things, including crystals. Humans, instinctively attuned to energy, unknowingly sense the vibrations around them. Karen Fraser unravels the mystery of how crystals, too, possess an electric energy, one that can be felt with an open mind and a receptive heart. Quote 3. People see using crystals as some sort of strange thing and have associated certain myths with it. Crystals are not just in the head. You don't have to be spiritual or New Age to use crystals. You don't need to cleanse your crystals to be more effective. Our guide dispels myths surrounding crystals, encouraging listeners to approach them with an open mind. It's not about conformity, but about experiencing the unique energy each crystal radiates. Chapter 4. Building Your Crystal Collection. As we step into the world of crystal collecting, Karen Fraser provides sage advice: quality over quantity. Your collection need not fill every nook and cranny. Rather, each crystal should hold personal meaning. The journey begins with a single crystal that resonates with you, not an overwhelming pursuit of information. Quote 4. A note of advice: don't make the beginner's mistake, which is reading and researching so much about crystals that you can't experience them. Just pick one, hold it, feel the energy, and then continue reading. Experience is important. The author cautions against the pitfalls of overwhelming oneself with knowledge. Instead, she encourages a hands-on approach. Pick up a crystal, feel its energy, and let the experience be your guide. Chapter 5. Shapes, Brands, and Energies. Crystals come in various shapes, each influencing the energy they exude. From rough and raw stones with potent energies to cut and polished gems with subtler vibrations, the choice is yours. Karen Fraser decodes the world of branded crystals, demystifying the misconception that branding elevates a crystal's energy. Quote 5. To find a crystal suitable for you is a thorough process. They all have different energies, and their shapes also give them clearer energy. Discover the art of selecting crystals tailored to your energy needs. Whether choosing by color, shape, or personal resonance, the author guides you through the process with insightful tips. Chapter 6. The Healing Power of Crystals. Now, brace yourself for the transformative potential of crystals. Karen Fraser delves into the healing properties of crystals for the mind, body, and spirit. Cleansing and maintaining your crystals become essential steps in unlocking their full potential. Quote 6. Crystals can be very helpful, especially if you know how to maximize their power. The author unveils practical tips, such as creating crystal elixirs and strategically placing crystals around your home. Learn the art of harnessing crystal power to enhance your well-being. Chapter 7. Crystal Grids and Chakras. As we progress deeper into the crystal realm, Karen Fraser reveals the art of crystal grids, an arrangement of multiple crystals focused on a specific intent. Explore the intricate dance between crystals and chakras, the energy centers that connect the physical and non-physical. Quote 7. A way of doing so is through making crystal grids, which is an arrangement of multiple crystals with the intention of creating powerful energy, focused on specific intent. Immerse yourself in the vibrational symphony of colors, meditation, and mantras to amplify the power of crystals and align them with the energy centers within. Chapter 8. Workhorse Crystals and In-Depth Profiles. Our journey reaches a crescendo as Karen Fraser unveils the workhorse crystals, versatile gems that cater to a myriad of needs. In an exhaustive exploration, the author provides in-depth profiles of various crystals, divulging their origins, shapes, lattice structures, energies, colors, and recommended uses. Quote 8. It then delves into a pretty useful section which discusses different crystals, listing their origin, shapes, lattice, energies, colors, placements, what they help with and what they work with, and usage tips. With each crystal unveiling, listeners gain intimate knowledge of their unique qualities, making it easier to choose the perfect companion on their journey. Chapter 9. Crystal Prescriptions for Life Issues. The grand finale unfolds as Karen Fraser addresses life's challenges, prescribing crystal solutions for issues such as abuse, addiction, anger, and boundaries. With insightful diagrams, the author provides a roadmap to healing, empowering listeners to navigate life's complexities with the aid of crystals. Quote 9. The author then uses the last chapter to talk about different life issues, as well as prescribing different crystal prescriptions for them to help with healing. The book's wisdom extends beyond mere information. It becomes a guide, a companion in the quest for self-discovery and healing. Chapter 10. Key Lessons from the Book. As our journey through the crystal realms nears its end, let's reflect on the key lessons bestowed upon us by Karen Fraser. Lesson 1. Anyone can use crystals, no matter who you are. Crystals are not reserved for the mystics and the experts. They are gifts of the earth accessible to anyone willing to explore their potential. Lesson 2. Different crystals can be used for different issues and problems. Each crystal is unique, offering a tailored solution to various issues. The kaleidoscope of crystals provides a vast array of options for seekers on their personal journey. Lesson 3. Crystals are great for healing, and humans have known them for ages. From ancient civilizations to modern times, the healing power of crystals remains a timeless truth. They are allies in our journey toward holistic well-being. Conclusion. As we conclude our mystical odyssey through Crystals for Beginners by Karen Fraser, it's evident that the world of crystals is not merely a collection of stones. It's a tapestry of energies, colors, and healing vibrations. So, whether you're a seasoned crystal enthusiast or a curious beginner, let the magic of crystals awaken your senses and guide you on a transformative journey.